Hi friends, in this we see the remaining questions of digital electronics which have been asked in TNPSC 2018. The first question is to determine the sequences required for execution of operation. The opcode of the instruction get transferred to, it's a direct question, it is transferred to instruction register. Right, from this only we can find the sequence of execution of operation, right? So it's a direct question. The option A is the right answer. Next one, the assembler directive in 8086 is called EQU, which is used to assign names to constant. So it is very important. It's a direct question though, but we must remember, right? Next one, the number of memory chips required to design 8 kilobyte memory using the memory chip size of 1024 by 1. So what we have to design is 8 KB. 8 KB means first we have to understand 8 is represented by 2 power 3, K is 2 power 10, right? And B is again 2 power 3. So this is the total memory size. But what I have is 1024. 1024 is nothing but 2 power 10. So by using 1024 by 1, how many 1024 by 1 is required to design this much, right? So divide 2 power 3 into 2 power 10 into 2 power 3 by 2 power 10. This is what I need, this is what I have. So if you want, divide by that. So 2 power 10 cancel, remaining is 2 power 6. 2 power 6 nothing but 64. So option D is the right answer. These two are cancelled. So we get option D as the right answer. Next one, the address lines required to interface 8 KB memory chips in 8085 microprocessor. So we have to interface 8 KB. 8 KB means it is 2 power 3 is 8, K means kilo, it is 2 power 10, byte means 8, so it is 2 power 3. So totally we need, so it is occupying 2 power 16. So in order to address this much of location, so total location 8 KB memory means it is having 2 power 16 location. So if I want to address this much of location, I need, right? So 16. So answer is 16 lines I need. So answer is 2 power 6. Answer is 16. Option A is the right answer, right? So don't think it is B, it is A. I have 8 KB. KB means byte means 3, 8 is 2 power 3, K is 2. So answer is 16. Next one, the DMA technique employs cycle steering in true sense is transparent DMA, straight away direct question. So option A is the right answer. Transparent DMA is using cycle steering in true sense. Next one, what is the content of accumulator 8085 after execution of the following program? So what is that? First one is MEA FFH. MEA FFH implies FF is stored into accumulator. That's what MEA FFH. So after executing, what our accumulator contain is FF. Then ADI01H. ADI01 means add immediate. So we have to add accumulator with 01. Already in accumulator I am having FF. If I add 01 to that, F plus 1 0. Again 1 is 1 0. F plus 1 is 1 0. That is given here. So F plus 1 again 1 0. So 1 is a carry. The option is, so accumulator will have 0 0. So option B is the right answer. So MBA A comma FFH will store FF in A, that is accumulator. Add I means add immediate means you have to add a 0 1 to the accumulator content. Since accumulator have FF, add 0 1, it will give 1 0 0. 1 is a carry, so remaining thing is 0 0. So accumulator has 0. And the next question is, a computer employs RAM chips of 256 by 8 and ROM chips of 1024 by 8. System needs 2K bytes of RAM and 4K bytes of ROM and 4 interface units. How many ROM and RAM chips are needed? Right, so what is the thing we have to do? RAM chips of 256 by 8 is employed. So RAM 256 by 8. The system needs 2K byte. So what it requires is 2K byte. 2K means 2 power 10. Byte means 2 power 3. So totally this much of bit storage is required by a RAM. This is the capacity of RAM. But what I have is 256 by 8. So how many RAM chips are required? So this much storage has to be designed, but our capacity is having 256 by 8. So how many 256 by 8 is required to get this much size of RAM? That is what our question. So what we have to do? We have to divide this by 256 by 8. So that's what our answer. So what we have to do? We need 2 into 2 power 10 into 2 power 3 storage. But what we are having is 256 by 8. 256 nothing but 2 power 8. 8 means 2 power 3. So this cancel, right? It is 2 power 11 by 2 power 8. That is 2 power 3. That is equal to 8. So RAM, how many RAMs are required? We need 8 RAM. That is the first point. Next we have to find out how many ROM. Right, so how many ROM chips are required? We have to design ROM of 4 KB. So 4 KB means 2 power 2, K 2 power 10, byte 2 power 3. So RAM should store this many bit. But what I have RAM size is 1024 by 8. 1024 is nothing but 2 power 10. 8 is nothing but 2 power 3. So how many 1024 by 8 is required to design 4 KB RAM? So we have to divide the numerator by denominator. So this one cancel. This 2 power 2 divided by this is cancelled. So what is that? 2 power 2, that is equal to 4. So how many ROM are required? We need 4 ROM and 8 RAM. Right? That is the answer. So the option 4 ROM chips and 8 RAM chips. So option A is the right answer. Next one, description of LHF instruction is in 8086 processor. What it is doing? It is doing, or it is loading register A from the data of flag. So load A register from flag. That's what this LHF, load A from flag. So option D is the right answer. I hope you understand all the problems very clearly. If you are having any doubt, you can ask me in comment section. I will clarify all your doubt. Thank you.